Today we're at the park. It's really icy out here, as you can see, and very slippery. I just dropped the wife off to get her nails done, and I'm hoping maybe I can get a flight or two in. Anyways, you can see the parking lot here is very icy. And today this is what we're going to fly. It's like a skating rink on the parking lot there. Anyways, we had something unexpected happen today, so stay tuned and check it out. Today we're out with the Mavic Air. Very, very icy out here. And I think what we're going to just do today is just try out some photos on the Mavic Air and check out the settings and see what we can get. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we're just setting, we set up the Osmo Pocket to do a bit of filming here today. So let's get out the Mavic Air and get it set up. Some close-ups of the Mavic Air. The Mavic Air is definitely one of my favorite DJI drones, and I love this controller here. You know, the control sticks are hidden in the handle there. You can just pull them out and screw them in. Like so. Screw in the other one. Stick my phone in here. I just got to grab the cable. Plug the regular USB into the controller. And it's USB-C because I've got the Samsung S9. Okay, we're going to turn the drone on. I just heard heard some sounds in the background there. Want to make sure the Osmo Pocket is still recording. If you listen carefully to the background noise, okay, we got the controller on. Holy Jesus. I just turned over and I see a guy out in the field there with, it looks like maybe a racing drone. It's quite loud. I'm going to try and set up the Mavic Air and see if I can get her up in the air and see if maybe we can videotape a bit of this other drone. Did you hear that? Wow, that is loud. We weren't expecting to see that today. I want to try and get this calibrated and get it up there, so hopefully we can get some footage of that racing drone in the air with the Mavic Air. Okay, she's calibrated. Wow, that is loud. Okay, we're recording. Can you hear that in the background there? Okay. Okay, away we go. Okay, I'm going to try and swing around and see if we can catch that drone in the air. I think I'm going to need to tilt the camera down. I don't seem to see it. I'm going to back up a little bit. I can hear it though. I can see the guy walking towards us. Hi. That sounds like a racer.
Yeah, it is. It's off too.
Okay, I think we're going to go over and introduce ourselves and take a look at this racing drone. Yeah, she's crashed. Okay, we're gonna park the Mavic Air here and see what's happening here. We introduced ourselves to Gregory. Gregory apparently builds these racing drones, and today he's flying FPV with it with Fat Shark goggles, It looks like it did a twist and hit the ground. The battery is shaken loose. Gregory's pulling the battery out, and all of a sudden it started smoking, so he's going to throw it out on the ice just in case it explodes. Well, Gregory and I, we started talking about these racing drones and how he builds them and how cool they are. Apparently this one here goes like 95 kilometers an hour. I don't think he'll be flying today. He only brought the one battery and it looks like it was smoking there, so I told him it's probably not a good idea to even try it, but he wasn't planning on trying it anyways because a corner of the frame by one of the props there got cracked in the crash. So Gregory and I, we stand here for a few minutes there just watching the battery that was smoking, and I allowed the Mavic Air to just film us. Gregory and I had a great conversation. We were, talking about the Mavic Air and talking about his drones. Apparently his buddy and him were up all night flying drones, so definitely a real droner. I was telling Gregory it's a shame that we couldn't get the racer back in the air. Would have been nice with the Mavic Air to kind of film the other drone flying around, but I guess that's probably not going to happen today. I did get Gregory's phone number, and I told him one day we'll have to do that. I'll have to bring out a Mavic, maybe the Mavic 2, and maybe we can film one of his racing drones. And Gregory thought that seemed like a pretty cool idea, and told me, when I'm ready to do that, just give him a call. So I think maybe in the future we'll have a great video showing Gregory's racing drones. Okay, well, the battery's running low on the Mavic Air. We didn't have all the batteries charged up with the Mavic Air today, so we were only hoping to be out here for about 40-45 minutes as I had to go somewhere. Anyways, we're gonna land this. So we really didn't get much flying in. We didn't get any picture taken in, but we met a fellow droner, and hopefully we'll get together again. Anyways, it wasn't much of a video today to show you, but I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll hope to see you next time. Fly safe. Please like, please subscribe.